Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that how to transfer Pokemon from Pokemon Go to Pokemon Home, then this video is for you. So you can see I'm on Pokemon Home official website where they are actually instructing us how we can actually do this. So first thing is open the settings, then select the Pokemon. You can find the Pokemon here, Pokemon regions. So Pokemon Home here, and then log into your Nintendo account used with Pokemon Home account that you want to transfer your Pokemon to. Like this, here you can find the Nintendo account. Simply click on sign in and enter your credentials and you are good to go. Then select send Pokemon. You can find send Pokemon button here. Simply click on that and take the Go transporter like this. Take the Go transporter and how to Go transporter energy you have, as well as how long it will take to recharge, and click continue. So you can wait for it until it charges. So you have to wait. You can find the estimated time from here until charge. So you have to wait for that, or you can use your paid credit for transformation currently. So you can simply click on continue and then select the Pokemon you want to transfer. Then you can find your vault, or where you have already captured all the Pokemon. So you have to choose all the Pokemon from your vault or inventory. Then you have to simply click on next. Then confirm the Pokemon you want to transfer, as well as how much Go transporter energy the transfer will cost, and select transport if there are no issues. So if you can find the transfer. If these Pokemon are allowed to transfer, then you can easily find the transfer button. So transport, simply click on transport and you can get an animation just like this and you are good to go. You have successfully transferred Pokemon from Pokemon Go. So simply click on done, and this is the success button, success message. If you found this, that's when the job is done right now. So that's it. You can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.